Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new. If you are brand new, please hit the subscribe button below and join me each week for all different kinds of videos like DIYs, Dollar Tree hauls, decorate with me, organization, all the things. So today we are going to be doing a decorate with me style video of my fall stuff. So I wanted to share my pink theme with you and let you see how you can transform your fall into any color that you want. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I picked up these from Amazon pillow covers. These are 18 by 18. So I was looking for pink and I found this one, Happy Harvest, and it came with this one, Pumpkin Patch, with that pretty pink vintage truck, and then Give Thanks and Hello Autumn. So I was overjoyed to find these. I also bought these blankets, throws. I don't remember where I got this one. Shoot. I think I bought this one at, it was either Ross or Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I'm sorry, just can't remember. This one I know for sure I bought at Home Goods though. And it has this really pretty pink tassel stuff on the bottom and the pumpkins. So this one's probably going to go on the couch, and this one's probably going to go in here in the bedroom on my bed. I also have one that has pink candy corn. I'll show you that one later. That one's more for Halloween. But I'm going to go ahead and put these pillows in and set up the bed for you, and yeah, we'll do that together. Doing this one with the truck. So I'm going to flip this over so it's the lighter side in the front. Oops. And let's get that in. Okay, so I have been working on this for a couple of hours and just doing some different placements. And as you can see up on the wall, I did one of these already. And I'm about to do the other one. So I took some of those. These are from Ross, by the way. I got them in the section where you can buy like art supplies and that type of thing, because Ross has been carrying some DIY supplies. So I grabbed these. They were $3.99 a piece, so super great deal. They have this chicken wire on them and they look like a little window. And so that one I just put some of these fall picks in the cream, and it's got this sort of peachy blush leaves. Some might say brown, but I think that it kind of goes with everything. And it's got this pumpkin on it, and it's got some of the cream berries, and it's just very pretty. And then I grabbed some of these, I forgot what you call these again, these little balls. They have a funny name, but I can't remember what they're called. But anyways, you guys know what they are. So I took these ones that are kind of like a pink color, and then I just place them, let me show you, on here in the corner. So I kind of just slid it through the chicken wire like this. And then, this is easier said than done when you're trying to film it, but you guys kind of get the idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it the rest of the way through. like that. There we go. And I think that's close enough. Looks like the other one. And then I'm going to take the little, cannot remember what you call these. I'll put it up there when I'm editing. But see how pretty that is? And then that one's going to go over on the other wall. So I'm going to go over there and put it up. I already have, they're very light, so I didn't need to double up on those. And then I'm just going to put this one up on the wall. Try and get it straight. There we go. Perfect. And then over here, I did a little arrangement. I'll bring it up closer so you can see it. And then I'll just pick up the phone in a minute to give you guys the whole grand tour. Although I'm still trying to work on, the placement of the blankets. But here's those beautiful pillows, or the covers. Here's the one that says give thanks. And then the other one says happy harvest. And then I put this pumpkin with a gold pumpkin embossed print on there on the bed. And I have this other pink blanket. Sorry guys. This other pink blanket I don't really know what to do with. I'm going to face this down a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. There we go. So I haven't done anything to the other end table, but I was thinking of just taking this and kind of, you know, putting it here, but kind of just like roughing it up a little bit so it just looks more comfy and not so like stiff and neat. And then just have this sort of in here like this. So I did that, and I have a lot more stuff I want to put on these tables, but so far it's looking really pretty.